We're just so different, you and I. Pulled further apart with time. I can't be standing by your side. We're just too different, you and I. Different now than at the start. We watch each other grow apart. Clipped wings, aching hearts, lost our way, have you and I. Forgotten faith that we once found. Together on this hallowed ground. Evident the hope, the sound of bells they rang for you and me. A melody that set the stage for something more along the way. Never a perfect display, but doors unlocked for you and me. Those doors, as they stood unlocked, passing time like ticking clocks, new roads and paths to walk, forgot where to. Did you and I, we mapped the world in different ways. Planning, we spent our days forgetting that we have in place the same North Star to you and I, and bonds are strong when they can flex. And imperfect worlds, they're complex. I see right, you see what's left. We need each other, you and I, like towers that pierce the sky, like beacons that light up the night. Why must we fall to realize we're not opponents, you and I? Together, let's chase the view, the great unknowns and worlds anew. Remember what we've been through, what we've endured, you and I, 'cause maybe it's not the best of times when we view the world through different eyes, different twists and storylines, but one great vision, you and I, the greatest story ever told. And memories, when we get old, grateful for the path we chose. We're not so different, you and I.